All right, here goes the lesson on Comfortably Numb by Pink Floyd. So here we go for the basic thing. We're gonna have a B minor, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, and a 3, and 4 E, and 1, 2, and a 3, and 4 E, and. Okay, so the intro, we got 2 bars of B minor by itself. So we're just gonna do that strum thing twice. 1, 2, and a 3, and 4 E, and. So let's try that together. 1, 2, and a 3, and 4 E, and. Okay, so that was the first 2 bars of that. Then the singing starts, the verse starts, and we're gonna hit that B minor again, and then we're gonna start moving to A. And then when we get to G, just 2 strums on the G, and right after the second strum, we got that F sharp note down to an E minor twice. So that breaks away from the common strum pattern, and then we're back to this. Okay, so let's say we did the 2 bars already of the intro. We're gonna start right now with the verse with the singing. 3 and 4 and A. G, down to E minor, back to B minor. So that was the first part of the verse. Here's the second part. Now there's another one of these, so there's 3 sets of these. Okay, so now we're like to the chorus. So this is D. This is going to be a little different strum. So it starts out with 1, and then it starts going down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that's, it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a D to A, and then D to A again. C, G, twice each on those 2. Back to the D. A, D to A again. Now this time I'm going to show you one little extra note on the end of the A. So that's a little walking note that'd be kind of in the bass line of the guitar part, but it's a little B note walking into the C chord. Da da dum dum. C to G twice. Then we're going to A major. So here comes the little change. A major. Same thing with that little B note, walking to the C, C to G, back to D. So once again, this little turnaround here, after we've gone through the D, A, D, A, C, G, C, G twice, we've got this A major. Same thing like to the B note, to the C chord, C to the G, to the D. So that ends that little turnaround. So once again, on that turnaround, we got. That's like the I have become comfortably numb. Okay, then we have a solo that starts here. D, A, basically the same stuff as before. D to A twice. We do that little walk up to the B note, to the C, G, C, G, then we got our A walk-up thing. Have become C to G, back to D. And then we have another verse. So we got our B minor, A, the G, down to E minor, back. We're gonna have two sets of this verse this time. Okay, then we got the D to A thing again. And again. Little B note to the C, to G, and again. And then we're going back to D to A. Here we do an extra D, kind of getting ready for the solo. Now the solo is just over these verse chords. So it's fun to play this with the record while he's doing that solo. And it just does that on and on until it fades out and the solo's done. Okay, so let's look at that other thing. It's like a piano part or some little string part or something, but it's when you're doing the D to A kind of chorus part. It's a little thing. I think it's kind of a fun little part to try. So we got the little 5th fret, and we're going 5 and then 7, 5 in the next string, and then 7. So I like to put the pinky in there to do that little pull off so I can keep everything in place. So I got a ring finger on the 7 on the G string, 2 5s down here, pinky on the 7 on the 2nd string, ready to pull off. So it's like. And then the A version of that is. So that's middle finger on the 5 here on the 2nd string, and then on the 3rd string, you're pulling off 6 to 4, and then hitting the 7 on the big D string. Always 4 sets of each. So here's the D again. And the A. So once I've done D to A twice, I'm going to shift down here to the 3rd fret and do the same type of thing on the C chord. And then the same thing, this is going to be for the G chord. 3, 4, 2, 5. And then you get that turnaround. Okay, so let's look at this. A, little walk up. Have become comfortably numb. And then you're in your solo. The solo is always preceded by that extra D to make it like bigger, and you can kind of tell that something big is coming. So anyway, that is Comfortably Numb by Pink Floyd. David Gilmour's out on tour doing that again. So check that out. Jam along with the record, and definitely jam along in the end and have him solo over when you're playing your chords with it. A lot of fun with that. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Let us know if you got any requests. I'm Damon Wood. We shall see you soon. Thanks a lot.